brain na ito, no? So remember that you're going to look at this part of your brain. You need to identify the different structures that you see on the coronal section. So remember that if this is at the level of your the middle portion of the brain, this will be a precentral gyrus, no? And then this is your corpus callosum, no? So this is your corpus callosum. So what do you call the gyrus above the corpus callosum? This is your cingulate. Okay? And then this is your septum pellucidum, and then this is your fornix. So these are your lateral ventricle, anterior horn of your lateral ventricle. And then this is the posterior horn of the lateral ventricle. Okay? So you need to take note, no? So this is your Sylvian fissure. So what structure is here? You have your insula of Rey. And then, if you are going to put a pin here, no? What broad mass area is found at the structure point 10? Huh? What is the broad mass area for hearing, auditory pathway? Nandun siya. Okay? So that is your hearing center. Now, going to the smaller parts of the brain, take note. So this is your external capsule. Yung puting yan is the external capsule. Okay? Then take note of your, ano yung pinakamalaki? Putamen or globus pallidum? Putamen. So this is your thalamus. So this area here is hindi malinaw yung kahingitan. Okay, so if you're going to look at this, no? So kita mo yung external capsule, yung puti. So this will be your putamen. So this will be your globus pallidus. The globus pallidus is divided into two parts, the middle and the lateral, or the internal and the external. So this is your thalamus. Okay? And then, where can you find the internal capsule, no? The internal capsule, okay, is the white portion that is separating your thalamus and your globus pallidus. Yung puting yan, no? Remember that the internal capsule is divided into an upper limb and the lower limb. Kasi pag ganun siya, no? Para siyang half, anong tawag yan? Half triangle. Okay? So yung upper portion is the upper limb, no? What is the significance of your internal capsule, upper limb? It is where your descending pathway passes through. So kailangan alam ninyong i-identify yung mga structures na yon. Now when it comes to the different pathways, no, you need to identify what are the different structures. Like for example, motor trap. Saan ba dumadaan ang motor trap? No, saan nag-originate ang motor? Descending pathway. Ha? From your precentral gyrus, anong layer? The fifth layer. Ano yung fifth layer? Ha? Wala pang nag-aaral. Next week na exam nyo. No? 17 topic ang inyong aaralin. No? Dapat ngayon, nabasa nyo na siya lahat. Para ang babasahin nyo na lang bukas, yung brainstem ni Dr. Mel. At saka yung natitirang vision pathway ni Dr. Ploma. Okay? So dapat yung 15 topic, naaral nyo na. No? Okay. Saan dumadaan ng ano? Saan ang gagaling yung ano? Motor trap? Ha? In what layer of your cerebral cortex? Wala na. Magtak na sa exam. Layer number 5, which is called internal pyramidal layer. Anong meron doon sa internal pyramidal layer? Anong cells nag-originate ang pyramidal pathway? The giant cells of Bex, which is found at the fifth layer or the internal pyramidal layer of your prefrontal gyrus. Tandaan nyo lagi that motor tract is responsible for the voluntary skilled movement, no, of your muscle. Okay, then from there, saan pupunta yung inyong motor tract? Corona radiata to the internal capsule, upper limb. Okay, doon saan siya bababa? After, from your cerebral cortex, saan pupunta? Ha? Pupunta ka siya ng midbrain. And then from the midbrain, saan dadaan? Ha? Pons. Which part of the pons you are going to look at? Basis pontis. O dapat i-identify ninyo yung sa pons, yung basis pontis. Okay? And then from the basis pontis, magdedecusate. Sinabi ni Dean kanina. Ha? In the medulla pyramid. No, usually the decussation occurs at the cervico-medullary junction. Okay? So, cervico-medullary junction, ilang percent yung magde-decussate? 90%. Anong tawag doon sa nagde-decussate? Anong tract? Lateral, cortico, spinal tract. Ano nangyari doon sa remaining 10%? It will remain. Okay, 8% will go and become anterior, and then the other one is the anterolateral, yung 2%. So, dapat makita ninyo yun dun sa brain kung sila dadaan. Ha? Sige. Go.